Good day, everyone. Welcome to another basic science class. I remain your science teacher, Chinedu Kerike. Today we'll be looking at the topic skill acquisition. All right, let's proceed with our class today. So before we go any further, let's look at our objectives. So, looking at our objectives, at the end of this lesson, the student should be able to state the meaning of skill acquisition. The student should be able to state the importance of skill acquisition. And finally, the student should be able to identify different types of skills. Okay, so the first question you may want to ask yourself is, what is skill acquisition? Now, there are abilities, there are things that you can do to better your life, and you don't even know about them yet. So the very minute you discover those things and learn them to perfection, then you say you have acquired a skill. So skill acquisition could be defined as the process of learning new abilities. Okay, welcome back. So the next thing we'll be looking at is reason for skill acquisition. So why would anybody want to acquire a new skill? Now, the number one reason why anybody wants to acquire a new skill is for self-development. Because these skills that you learn, they are there to better your life. They make you a better individual. Now, the second reason that an individual wants to learn a new skill is for problem solving. Any skill you learn helps you solve a new problem. That's one thing you need to understand. So one reason that make people acquire new skills is for them to be able to solve a different problem. Then another reason why people acquire new skills is for employment opportunities. Every employer wants to employ an individual that can come into his organization to solve problems for him or her. So if you have skills that can solve problems in that organization, definitely you will be employed. All right, welcome back. So we'll be looking at types of skills. So the very first type of skill we'll be looking at is physical skill. Now, when talking about physical skill, we are talking about that type of skill you acquire by moving your body. So any type of skill you acquire by moving your body is known as a physical skill. A typical example is sports. So if you acquire a sporty skill that involves you moving your body, running, moving your arm, it is a physical skill. The next one is mental skill. The second type of skill is mental skill. Now, mental skill has to do with the brain. There are things you learn and they stay with you forever. Now, if you are a mechanic, for instance, or you are a tailor, a seamstress, when you learn this skill, how to sew, it involves what you have learned and practiced over time. So we describe such skill as being a mental skill. Then the third type of skill we'll be looking at is social skill. Now, there are some people that are really good with mingling with people in a social environment, and there are some people that are not good with it. So if you are that type of person that can associate very well with people in a social environment, you've acquired a social skill. Okay, welcome back. So the next one we'll be looking at is importance of skill acquisition. So the number one importance of skill acquisition we'll be talking about is skill acquisition helps you build up confidence. Now, when you acquire a new skill, without doubt, you become very confident at doing that thing you've learned how to do. And the number two thing we'll be talking about with regard to importance of skill acquisition is that it helps you in school. When you learn new abilities in school, it keeps you an edge. It gives you an edge over your peers. So new skills in an academic environment gives you an edge over your peers. The third thing we'll be talking about is it makes life easier. So when you acquire a new skill, it simply makes life easier for you. Because in some cases, new skill means that you can earn more money. And having more money means that you can solve more problems at home financially. Now, the fourth and final thing we're looking at is that it encourages creativity. When you have new skill, it encourages you to be creative at things you do. All right, new skills, you can't acquire a new skill and be quiet about it. It makes you very creative at that thing you have learned. Okay, welcome back. So let's make progress with our class today. So let's look at fun examples of skill acquisition. So this skill acquisition we are talking about, it shouldn't be work, work, work. Skill acquisition most of the times, it could be things we do for fun. So let's look at, for example, riding a bike. Riding a bike, it's something we do for fun. We learn how to ride a bike, we ride around our neighborhood, and that is it. But do you know that there are people that has gone further to make a career out of riding a bike? So that is a fun skill which was developed into a career. Another one is cooking. Cooking is something most people learn for fun, right? But at the same time, there are some people that have made a career out of it. Like the famous cook in Nigeria, Hilda Basi, that has become renowned, very famous for her cooking, to the point that she won a Guinness World Record. All because of something she loves and enjoys doing, and that she has made a career out of. So another fun skill is use of computer. We all love using computer, but you won't believe, even with the fun part of it, some people has made a career out of using computers, right? And finally, playing music. Most of the famous musicians you see today in Nigeria, it started like play. To them, it was just like play, something they were singing for fun. Before you know it, they turned it into career. So most of the things we learn for fun, for leisure, it could be escalated to the point where it becomes a career. All right, welcome back. We're almost done with our class today, but before we go, I have a couple of questions for you. So let's see how well you do with the question. So my first question is, state the meaning of skill acquisition. Good. My second question is, mention the importance of skill acquisition. Awesome. And my third question is, mention three types of skills. Wonderful. Thank you for tuning in. You've been a wonderful audience. So, see you in next class. Bye.